Go.
They're becoming extinct because of global warming.
Yeah, just write down global warming.
Right here?
Yep.
They have...
Wait a minute. And you should put down threat.
They eat seals.
They eat seals.
Sea lions.
Eat seals.
And sea lions.
Okay, sea lions too?
I have...
And spelling will not count on this. Okay, what else?
They... 6 months long. They eat fish.
Oh, the winters are really long? There's really long winters. Where do they live, first of all?
Antarctica, where the snow is.
Cold spots.
Okay, North Pole, South Pole.
South? North.
In Happy Feet, were there any polar bears?
Yes. What's that movie?
No. Happy Feet's about penguins.
Yeah, there's no polar bears in there. Yeah.
So we read bullet points.
I don't want to. I'm fine.
Yeah, you are going to write bullet points.
You are?
Yes. Okay, so North Pole or South Pole for polar bears?
North Pole. South Pole.
It's not south, right?
North.
Yeah. It's the northern areas, okay.
Is that good? Like
Yep,
that?
keep going.
They live at the zoo sometimes.
Yep.
They
sleep
really
a lot.
bad.
Oh,
They
hide.
smell like poop.
Okay, this is a serious discussion. Okay, well, I think we might want to ask them if might need to write down, do they hibernate?
That's what I was about to say.
I think they do. Those Coke
So,
commercials,
question?
they show them hibernating.
During
Remember those
the
Coca-Cola polar bear commercials?
Hibernation.
So, do they hibernate? Question mark.
I think they do. What we probably would put the question mark there. Hibernate, question mark. Okay.
They have a good sense of smell.
Yep, they can. How did you know that from? What did you know that from? That's really good.
I don't know. I just kind of knew it.
Okay, they have a good sense of smell. What do you know about as far as when you compare them to other bears? What?
They are white. They're puffy.
They're the only. They can stay in the cold for a long period of time.
Good swimmers, can be in the cold, they're white.
Good.
Keep going. Okay, what about size?
Big.
They're smaller than most bears.
Smaller?
They're bigger than most bears.
They're the biggest
They
bears.
have babies. It's like a good handwriting now.
Do you know anything about their fur is kind of special? Do you guys know anything about
It's
their fur?
soft.
Well, it's going to be soft, but what does it allow the bears to do?
Swim
faster. They can swim faster with.
I don't know if the fur makes them swim faster.
Slower because it has more
It
weight.
keeps them warm.
And they also can swim in the
Keeps
cold
them warm.
waters.
Keeps them warm. Can hold their breath. No, actually, I don't know.
They might be able to hold their breath. That's interesting.
They like fish.
Yeah.
Can't all animals hold their breath?
It was called Human Planet on Discovery Channel.
What?
And it's called Human Planet on Discovery Channel. It was on Sunday or something. And then this one guy could hold his breath underwater for more than 5 minutes.
Oh, wow.
And he had negative buoyancy at the bottom, and he would spear fish.
Wow. I bet that comes from years of practice.
Okay, what else?
What else can we say about polar bears? Start flipping through the book. And skim the book the way we did. Table contents, glossary, intro and conclusion, pictures.
Their paw is two times the size of a human hand.
So that's like two. Okay. 2 times.
The ice keeps
They have large stomachs.
They can smell dead rotting seal from 32 miles away.
Okay, I don't think I need to put that.
Their
Okay,
stomachs are
Maddie, what
large.
did you say?
Their stomachs are large.
Their stomachs.
Okay, please.
They can sense dead from 20 miles away.
Yep. So now with
They
our
store
smell,
fat to get them through seasons in which they are not hunting.
Okay, store
They
fat.
do not hunt.
Oh, scientists think that polar bears cover their noses with their paws to make them harder to spot?
They eat smaller whales.
They live from usually 25 to 30 years long.
Oh, that was a good piece of it. 25 to 30? Why don't you just write 25 to 30 years?
They live in severe conditions.
How would they eat 100 pounds in one meal?
Yeah. I think what you might have to do is put an arrow. We're going to have to come up here too now.
Okay.
Pick them all up.
They were built to survive.
Okay. They were built to survive?
Addie said that they can store 100 pounds of food in their stomach.
Pollutants?
No, I'm going
Okay,
to...
100 pounds of food. That's what you would write. Oh, what does it say about pollutants?
Pollutants, if they get in the air or the water, it's toxic.
Okay.
Polar bears will wait patiently for hours. Never mind.
Okay, yeah, that's a good one though.
Addie, do you want to write now?
They will wait until the seals come up.
Addie calls first, though.
And the seals eventually do have to come up.
It's really bad my handwriting is.
Okay. Keep going. Keep
They
skimming.
have 2 layers of fur
2 layers of fur. There we go. I was waiting for that.
and a thick layer of fat.
Due to their lower body weight, female polar bear. Ooh, I'm not going to say that.
Where does it say? Due to their lower body weight, female polar bears have fewer cubs.
Okay, kids.
Anything else?
Global warming isn't a bad effect on human activity or on polar bears.
Oh.
Global warming
Female
isn't...
polar bears are giving birth to fewer cubs.
Oh. Fewer
These
cubs.
pollutants often end
Just write fewer cubs. And write down, probably has to do with pollution, right?
Yep, pollution. I just saw that. Toxic chemicals.
Okay.
There's no question that the world's polar bear population is shrinking.
Okay,
So
polar bears shrinking.
They
Just put
have a
population
number.
shrinking.
They have babies every 1 to 3. What? I don't know.
every 1 to 3.
28 months.
They have babies in
The,
a 28-month
the population has dropped from 1,200 in 1995 to fewer than 1,000 bears in 2005.
Okay. What else you got?
Let's see. That's the last page of the book.
Well, let's get to, look at the glossary. Is anything new in the glossary that you've not seen before?
Swim up to 5 kilometers per hour.
Fast to obtain.
They can swim 5 kilometers per hour.
Oh, I thought it was true. How many miles per hour is that?
That would be like 3. What's in the glossary that you have yet noticed before?
Ingest.
I don't know.
Ingest?
Ingest.
What word does that look like?
Ingest.
Ingest?
I don't know.
It looks like,
Inhabitants.
and that tells you, what is ingest? It talks about food. What is food ingest?
Digest.
Digest it.
Thank you.
Well, sorry.
So take
I didn't
in
know.
how much water?
Poses.
Inhospitable.
Inhospitable. What's the root word inside that?
Hospital.
Hospital.
So the opposite of a hospital would be what?
Not a
Bad
hospital.
place to
Yes.
live. Not very safe.
Right. What else is in that glossary?
Lichens.
Lichens is a weird word. What is it?
Crusty fungi grows on rocks and
Okay.
trees.
Oh, and
What about-
polar bears have fewer babies at a time. They don't have.
We have that. What about plight? What's a plight?
Something very bad, like
Unfortunate
a
or
crisis.
terrible
situation.
Yes.
Got a situation.
Okay. Now read the introduction and conclusion. Just skim it. What's the author want you to learn in this book?
Can I read the conclusion?
Yeah, read the conclusion and the introduction. Just skim it.
It's harsh.
It just talks about
They want you
their.
to learn to not pollute and be eco-friendly.
That's really good. Okay.
The danger of
Now, part 2 of this is we're going to do the thing. We're going to put the books down. And part 2, we're going to take the quiz without the book and see how many of the questions we can get right
Can we do
without
it
looking at
today?
the book. Yeah, right now. Hold on.